Hello. Hello, it's just me. Hi everyone, it's Miss Stephanie here at the library, and I'm back again with another new STEAM kit. This kit is called All About Dinosaurs. And in this kit, there's one book, and instead of 2 activities, this one actually has 3 activities. So let me show you what we've got. First, the book is called What If You Had T-Rex Teeth? And it is all about dinosaurs, of course, and it goes through a bunch of different types of dinosaurs and makes it a little bit fun by showing what it would be like if a person actually had that dinosaur part. And it also gives some fun facts about that dinosaur. So that's the book, What If You Had Dinosaur Teeth? Okay, and then our activities. As you can see over here, there are some dinosaurs. The first activity is just fun play with dinosaurs. It is called Jumbo Dinosaurs, Mommies and Babies. And we have 3 types of dinosaurs. We have these guys, Mommy and Baby T-Rex. And then we have Mommy and Baby Stegosaurus. And we have, let's see here, I always say this one wrong, so I'm going to have to look it up, but we have these 2 guys. I want to call it Brachiosaurus, but that I don't think is the right name. Let me look and see. It is Brachiosaurus. I had it right. Yay! Okay, so that is activity number 1, Jumbo Dinosaurs and Babies. Okay. This one I think looks super fun. The second one is called Dinosaur Escape game. And in this game, you work together. Let me just show you the game up a little bit more closely. You work together as a team to move these 3 dinosaur players over to this safe island before you put together the volcano. And if the volcano erupts, you have not made your goal, but hopefully you'll figure it out and be able to match up the dinosaurs and their pieces and parts on the board here. And the directions are in the game, of course. So that is Dinosaur Escape game. Okay, another activity is a throwback to the olden days. This is called Dinosaur Sticker Fun. Now we know that most of the time when you use stickers, when you peel them off, they get all messed up because the sticky part sticks and the paper rips. But these are what's called vinyl cling stickers, and they actually can go on and off. They cling with static. So this sticker activity has 2 different scenes from 2 different dinosaur periods, and what you do is you take the stickers and you can just put them on there and make a different kind of scene. Let me show you. Here are some from the Jurassic period. I've already done a couple, and you just peel them off. Whoops. You have to be careful just to get the sticker and not the paper underneath it. So that's a little bit of a be careful moment. Okay, and then you get your sticker and you put it on there just like that, and you can create different scenes and make different pretend scenarios if you want to, and then those just come right back off. See, they peel right off the vinyl sticker, and then you can put them right back onto the sticker sheet so that the next person can use those. And I will point out just real quick, if it doesn't seem to be sticking as much as you would like, the directions say you take the sticker and to make some electricity, you rub it in your hair, and that makes some static so that it will actually stick a little bit better. Okay, so there is the last activity, the stickers, the reusable stickers. Okay, so just as a reminder, we have What If You Had T-Rex Teeth? And we have our baby and mommy dinosaurs, and we have our cooperative dinosaur escape game, and we have our reusable dinosaur sticker scenes. And just as a reminder, when you come in, it is 1 kit per family, and we've had a lot of great sharing going on. The kits do require the parent to sign an information sheet saying that they'll make sure that they can bring back all the pieces and parts, and it can only be checked out on an adult card. But come and see us and we'll have it ready for you.